Hello and welcome dear learners. This is a brief video tutorial to present a basic use of Congrea, which is an online tool for virtual lectures and courses. Let us see the learning outcomes. So at the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to explore the use of different features of Congrea. Because in the earlier two tutorials, we have first seen how to schedule a session in Congrea. In the second tutorial, we have seen how to explore the different features of Congrea, and now in this, we will be seeing the use of different features of Congrea. So, a brief review and a brief recap of what we had seen. So, this is a basic introduction to Congrea. It is a new generation scalable open source online virtual classroom environment. It has been packaged with several value-added features such as audio-video interaction, chat, poll, quiz, collaborative editor, and much more. Congrea also enhances the learning experience by allowing the users to share the media, documents, or even share the screen with their fellow participants. So, dear learners, I am recording this with the help of Screencast-O-Matic. So, the first thing is you will go to your platform of Congrea. As I have mentioned in the earlier sessions also, that you have two options. You need to be either a member of some module or of some Moodle course, or you need to have some access. Or if you do not have an access, you first need to gain access to Congrea, and it is a very user-friendly, good platform which can permit 1,000 participants at a time. Now, if I do not have an access, direct access, I can go to Google and I can go to the homepage of Congrea and I can sign up and go with a trial demo. But in this case, I'm using the platform which is basically the live online virtual engagement. Currently, I'm pursuing a Moodle course, which is Moodle for Teachers, and my course name is Live Online Virtual Engagement. I'm thankful to the course coordinator, Dr. Nelly Dodge, for giving the access by which I can demonstrate this tutorial. And because I'm using this Congrea and the access is given through this Moodle course, so the name is Congrea Live Online Virtual Engagement. So the name is GLOW. We have already seen in the earlier sessions about the upcoming sessions, recorded sessions, and schedule a session. We have seen and we had discussed in the first uh, this state in the first video tutorial how to schedule a session. It's very simple. All you have to do is just click in here and go with. In the second tutorial, we have seen the features, and because now I have already scheduled my class and my class is ongoing, so upcoming sessions may I will directly get the link to join. See, because already my class is going on. Already I have scheduled at 1 o'clock night time. Today is 4th of May 2020 and my class is already going on. It is already started. So I will just go to join the virtual class. Now once I go to join the virtual class, all I can see is just 1 minute. So join the virtual class. Okay, so oh yeah, continue. So this is all about the actual Congrea live virtual class. This is me, you can see my name, and this is my live online session going on. You will not see more participants right now because I have not shared this with all. It is just I'm using for demonstration purpose. If I would have shared this this link with others, so people would have joined and you all would have been seeing the names here. Right now it's only me, user one, and in the earlier tutorial we have seen the use of different features. For example, we saw the use of different icons. For example, this is whiteboard. So this is actually a whiteboard, and these are the different features by which you can start with document sharing if you wish to share a document, screen share if you wish to share the screen with the learners, you can share a video, you can have a poll, the poll pop-up questions. For example, If you have decided to have a session in which you have to have a real-time feedback from the learners, so you can design a poll and that poll questions will pop up in between time when you have scheduled. Then you can have also quiz, so you will be having some quiz, and that quiz can come on the screen, and that is one very clear version. Text editor, one option, and share presentation. Once my session is done, I will click on session end. Now here you can see it's a freehand. Once I click on freehand, now there are different options. You can see here how I'm demonstrating because I've clicked on freehand. So whatever I'm making a line, I'm making a rough sketch. So if I wish to make a square, I can make a square. So this because I'm using a freehand. Now this is of shapes, for example, rectangle. So I can have rectangle. See, I just have to touch and drag. So that will take the shape of rectangle. If I wish to have a triangle, so all I have to do is just select it, just click and drag. That's it. So size, uh, different options are available depending upon the requirement. Color, you can select a particular color as per the requirement, for example blue, purple. So see here, now since I have selected purple, so now the color is purple. Here active all, here you can, once I click on this, you can see here. So yeah, so do you really want to clear this whiteboard? Yes, no. If I say yes, so see, all things are clear. Then you have an option here to insert a page. If you have to insert a page, once you click on plus, now see, now it has become page 2 of 2. First it was only page 1 of 1. Then with the help of this, you can move your sidebar. You can move, now see, and once I click back here, I will once again get back. So this is just if I wish to have more space, I can click it here, and then once I click it back, so I get, so I can see my learners also, I can see my peers with whom I'm sharing, and I can also use my whiteboard. Now this is to zoom in, this is to fit the screen, and this is to zoom out. Currently webcam I'm not using, and you can insert a bookmark, you can have full screen. Here you can have users list for documentation purpose. You can have a common chat, you can raise a question, you can add note. Here you can type, for example, this is my welcome. There are different options by which people can have yeah, I can leave, hello, do you have a teacher command. So different people who are there, they will have it. These are some of my team members. You can see the earlier chats also. So yeah, so this is all like how you deal with different perceptions, different learning outcomes, and you will see messages. So you can see some earlier messages of previous chat sessions. You can see some current messages of current class. So these are the different features we have explored, and this is how you can explore and use the different features in Congrea. And you also have now what I'm showing you is actually a free version. In the paid one you can have a recording version. So right now I'm recording with the help of Screencast-O-Matic. So this is all about it. Once I click here session end, so it will ask me, do you really want to end this session or no? So once I click on yes, session has been closed. You may now close your browser. So dear learners, thank you all for being with me live and listening to this video live demonstration. So thank you all for being a lovely audience. Remember, we are all teachers and we are lifelong learners. So change is mandatory, survival is optional. We need to constantly update ourselves and keep on learning, exploring and sharing new things. Thank you.